Whether you want to do a literature search or write a research article or a review paper or thesis or an essay, using AI tools like Jenni, you can complete them within weeks or even a few days. I have previously made a detailed tutorial on Jenni where I have explained individual features of Jenni that can assist you in literature review, drawing outlines, writing scientific content from scratch, get citations, paraphrase the text, and summarize the content along with examples. You may check that out if needed. But using AI tools alone without the right knowledge about how to use them is not enough. If you do not know how to write suitable prompt, then you might end up with poor literature review or a research article that might not be up to the mark. Therefore, in this video, I will share how you can write better AI prompts along with several useful examples that will take your academic writing to the next level. This video not only will help you harness the full potential of Jenni, but also any other AI tool in academic writing. This is going to be really very helpful video, so make sure you do not miss out anything important and watch it till the end. For the sake of clarity, I have divided the whole video in three major parts. In the first part, I will discuss about the AI prompts that you can use when you want to start writing from the scratch. In the second part, I will demonstrate some prompts that can help you in rewriting and editing the already written manuscripts, making them better. And at last, we will see some useful prompts to chat with PDFs of published papers, books, or theses to draw useful information. You can comment below if you want me to share those prompts. So let's begin with the first one. Finding a suitable topic to write a research paper or review can sometimes be challenging. Jenni's AI chat feature can help you find promising topic for your research. For example, you can write a prompt suggest 5 potential research topics related to mindfulness and genomic alterations for a review paper. It will provide you some suggestions along with brief outline and some references that you can consider. You can pick one that seems promising to you, but it is always a good idea to double check the existing research to make sure the topic is novel, addresses a gap in current knowledge, or offers a chance to add new insights. This same approach can be used to find topics for a research paper too. The next step is generating an outline for the review paper. To create a strong outline, you have to go beyond the simple prompts. Instead of just asking for an outline, specify the desired structure and content you want Jenni to generate. For example, you can write a prompt like, create a detailed outline for a review paper on long-term genetic and epigenetic effects of mindfulness meditation. Include an introduction, section on various mindfulness practices, evidence-based studies on mindfulness, effects on gene expression, epigenetics, metabolism, telomere length, oxidative stress and aging. Include supporting and contradictory study, future directions and conclusions, also provide citations. This detailed approach yields a more targeted and useful outline, preventing writer's block and providing a solid foundation to begin elaborating your writings. Remember, you can always edit the generated outline to perfectly match your needs. Once you have your outline, use the targeted prompts to begin writing individual sections. For example, instead of a basic prompt, write an introductory paragraph around 250 words about the growing need and popularity of mindfulness across the globe, maintaining an academic tone. Specifying keywords like introductory paragraph, the need, word limit, and academic tone yields a much stronger result. While AI can enhance your academic writing, always remember to apply your own critical thinking and original ideas. To investigate the relationship between two or more parameters or concepts, you can write more specific prompts. For instance, write in 500 words about current scientific understanding of relationship of mindfulness with gene expression and epigenetics, providing key references. It has generated a few paragraphs about relationship between mindfulness and epigenetic changes like DNA methylation, histone modification, and gene expression. The initial response along with the paper cited here can then be used for a more comprehensive research and writings. While writing, it's often necessary to back up the claims or statements with relevant citations. Jenni's Cite feature makes this easy for you. Simply select the relevant text and click on Cite. A list of potentially relevant papers will appear, allowing you to review them before adding a citation. Once you have chosen a source and inserted the in-text citation, the full bibliographic entry will automatically be added to your reference section. Let's try another prompt where I asked Jenni to write a paragraph about the major limitations and unanswered questions in the current research on mindfulness and genomic alterations. These kind of prompts will help to critically evaluate existing literature, find the limitations and scope for future research. At instances, you may wish to include specific studies supporting your argument. For example, here I write a prompt, mention 3 to 4 specific research studies supporting mindfulness maintains telomere length. Here in this paragraph, it has shared 3 different studies supporting our argument along with the citations. You can use predefined AI commands or write prompts that challenge or critique specific arguments or studies. For instance, here I write the prompt, criticize the studies mentioned in the selected paragraph with examples and provide counter arguments about a particular argument which I have mentioned in the square brackets, mindfulness improves telomere length. The resulting counter-arguments can be invaluable for developing well-rounded discussions and ensuring your own work avoids bias. You can then use the citation feature described earlier to support these counter-arguments. You may try out these prompts by yourself to start writing articles from the scratch. Nonetheless, being an author, use AI writers with due diligence and verify the sources. Use your critical thinking and originality while writing, and use AI tools for assistance purpose to make your writings better. Coming on to the second part of the video about some useful AI prompts that can rewrite the paragraphs, improve the flow, grammar, and tone of your academic writings. If you think 2 or more paragraph doesn't connect well or not in proper flow, then you can use this prompt. Rewrite the selected paragraphs to improve the flow and transition without changing the original message. You can replace the selected text or insert the rewritten text below so that you can compare both the versions. This prompt improves the readability of the text. If you want to emphasize a particular argument or statement within a paragraph, you may use prompt like this. Rewrite the selected paragraph to enhance its argumentative tone in a way that it emphasizes the key message, mindfulness helps in maintaining telomere length. Thus, without altering the original message, you can highlight a specific point or argument in your paragraph. At instances when multiple sentences in a paragraph starts in a similar way, as you can see here, you can easily rewrite them using prompts like this. Rephrase the paragraph in a way each sentence seems to start differently while maintaining the actual flow and the message. Now you can see each sentence starts a bit differently while maintaining the flow of the text. Sometimes while writing a particular section, you find it important to include a particular statement but not sure how to integrate it without affecting the flow. In such case, you can use this prompt. I am finding it difficult to integrate this study written in the brackets naturally in this paragraph. Can you do a seamless integration while maintaining the flow and readability of the paragraph? You can see how easily the statement has been incorporated in the paragraph without affecting the flow. Now this particular text has certain grammatical and typographical errors. A few words do not sound academic. You do not have to worry, just select the text and write this prompt. Correct the grammar of the selected text while maintaining the tone academic and scientific. You may choose from several different tones and voice depending upon what kind of document you are writing. Based on the prompt we provided, it has corrected all such mistakes and your writing now sounds academic. This way you won't need any other tool to improve your English, grammar, tone, and even voice of your manuscripts. Coming on to the last part of the video. In this part, I will explain how you can use AI prompts that can help you interacting and extracting useful insights from the PDFs of research articles, books, and other documents like a pro. For this, you need to have PDF of papers added to your library to chat and get useful insights from the paper. Suppose I want to add this paper on epigenetics and aging to the Jenni's library. You can add multiple papers to your library collection. Once the PDF is added, you can use AI chat feature to derive useful insights from the paper. The entire document will be loaded on the left panel, and in the right you can find options to ask the questions. You can ask from some predefined questions shown here, but here I am writing a more specific prompt. How the arguments made by the author in this paper supports the understanding, aging, and histone modification share specific instances discussed in the paper. Jenni will analyze entire paper and provide a synthesized report based on the argument asked, sharing specific instances. This way, even without reading the entire paper, you can find supporting arguments for a particular statement. Now suppose you want to know how this particular paper critique an argument that I am supporting. For this, I write a prompt. In my review paper, I am arguing that telomerase expression is not the only essential thing for maintaining telomere length. How will this paper critique my argument? In response, it is written that this particular paper does not directly critique my argument, which indeed is correct when I checked. We may have to refer different paper for this. For selecting another paper from the library, I am using @ symbol and then select that particular paper which I think is more relevant to chat with, and then ask the relevant question. Let's ask the same question by writing the same prompt here and wait for the response it generates. Now you can see that I found a perfect critic for my argument. This is really important for discussing different aspects of an argument which sometimes become essential while writing a review or a strong discussion. Now this is the last and one of the most interesting and useful prompts that you can use to write a literature review or generate a synthesized report from multiple papers. You can chat with multiple papers and get a combined response or report based on what is mentioned in all those papers. Use symbol to add one or more papers from the library. Then you can write this prompt. I have been reading a lot about how mindfulness alters our genes and epigenetic status of the cell and slows down aging. How can the ideas developed in these papers be synthesized with what I have been reading? Provide about 1000 word reports on this, analyzing all these papers along with concluding remarks. It has generated a synthesized report along with the headings referring multiple papers all at once. This can literally save a lot of your time reading multiple lengthy papers and extract useful insights from them. You can refer the help document of the Jenni to learn how to use its various features. You can also watch my detailed tutorial on it where I have demonstrated all these features with examples. The manual also provides some useful AI prompts that you should try if you want to make the best use of Jenni. Nonetheless, you should try by yourself and customize the prompt to get desired results. You can try out some of the features of the tools for free. You can upgrade to access the advanced feature of the tool using my link given in the description. Do not forget to use the discount code to save more. I hope you find this video useful. Comment below in case of any queries. I will try to answer them. Do not forget to check out my other videos on AI tools and research and publishing. They will help you in reading, writing, analyzing and publishing your articles faster. Thanks and stay connected for more such useful stuffs.